Welcome to TreeBills. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create items and manage your inventory list. Let's get started. From the Home dashboard, tap on Inventory, then tap on Items card. This opens your inventory list where you can see all your products and services. The Items screen shows your inventory as cards. Each card displays the item name, type badge, product or service, sales price, and stock quantity for products. Use the search bar at the top to find items quickly, or tap the filter icon to filter by categories. To add a new item, tap the plus button. This opens the item creation form with 3 tabs at the bottom: Basic, Advance, and Tax, if tax is enabled for your business. Let's start with the Basic tab. First, select the item type: Product for physical goods with stock tracking, or Service for services without stock. This choice cannot be changed later, so choose carefully. Enter the item name. This is required. Add an optional description for more details. Enter the sale price, the amount you charge customers. This field is required. For purchase price, you have 2 options. Toggle Margin Calculation on to enter margin percentage and auto-calculate purchase price, or keep it off to directly enter the purchase price. If creating a product, enter the opening stock quantity, your current stock on hand. Switch to the Advanced tab. Select or create a category to group similar items. Choose a unit of measurement like pieces, kilograms, liters, or hours. You can add new units directly from the drop-down if needed. For products with dates, you can optionally set manufacturing and expiry dates using the date pickers. If your business has tax enabled, switch to the Tax tab. Select the appropriate tax rate from available options and choose whether the price is inclusive or exclusive of tax. If tax is not enabled, this tab won't appear. Once all required information is filled, tap the Save button. The app validates your entries and shows error messages if something is missing. After successful validation, your item is saved and added to your inventory list. Remember these key validations. Item name is required. Sale price is required. Item type cannot be changed after creation. Stock field only appears for products, not services. All entries are validated before saving. That's it. Access items from inventory, tap plus to create new items, fill in the Basic tab with name and prices, use Advanced tab for organization, configure tax if needed, and save. Now you can build your complete product catalog. Start building your inventory today. Download TreeBills, available on Android, iOS, and web. Thanks for watching.